Several YouTube channels promote Amazon affiliate products with YouTube videos. These videos get loads of views, and you can only imagine that they also get a lot of sales with the affiliate links they have in the video description. But if you have ever tried doing this yourself, you know that making money on YouTube with Amazon affiliate marketing is not as easy as it sounds. One of the most difficult parts of creating a YouTube video for Amazon affiliate marketing is researching Amazon products and then writing a good script that viewers will want to watch and, importantly, want to buy with your affiliate link. I recently came across this new online tool, which also has a free option where you can automatically generate video scripts with artificial intelligence technology. It is as good or even better than written by a human. Stick around because I am going to use this Amazon product as an example and show you how this works. This is going to save you the time and money you spend on existing Amazon videos. If that's something you like to learn more about, can you give this video a like, and let's get started. Here I am logged into my Jarvis dashboard. If you want to follow along with me, use the link in the description below. With that link, you can get 10,000 words for free. So you don't need to spend any money to try this out. You can use it and see for yourself if it works out for you. This online tool generates many types of content. For the purpose of this video, select on video and you will see several options. I am going to show you how to quickly come up with video ideas and to have a fully auto-generated video script using AI technology. First, let me go through these options. We often spend countless hours looking for video ideas. So with video topic ideas, you can find more ideas for your video based on the initial Amazon product you select. Stay with me, I will show you how this works. The YouTube video title plays a big role in convincing people to watch the video. You can auto-generate this for your Amazon affiliate marketing video as well. The video hook is the first few seconds of the video, which convinces someone that clicks on your video to stick around. The video description is the text that you add along with your Amazon affiliate links. Let me click on the video script outline and create a video script about this Amazon affiliate product. I am going to write a title for now, but you can also generate this. Give the tone of the voice, and when you click on Generate AI Content, you will see on the right-hand side several script versions about this Amazon product. Reading this, are you able to tell if this Amazon product outline was written by a robot? Now, we are going to use one of these outlines as a starting point and create an amazing video introduction for the Amazon product. Let me copy one of the lines and then go to the video script hook. Paste the title. I will keep the tone as friend, and then click on Generate AI Content. Within seconds, you get a hook that you can use for the introduction of your Amazon affiliate video. There is a placeholder to add your name if you want to. The next question is, how do you get a unique description for your Amazon product so that you can include some facts and details in the video? For that, go to e-commerce, then select Amazon product description. Let me use a different Amazon product. How about the Sennheiser headphones, so that you know that you can generate a video script for any Amazon product? Going back to Jarvis, give the product name, then copy a few facts from the Amazon page for the key benefits and features section. For this, let's use witty as the tone of voice. When you click on Generate AI Content, you will get various versions of product details. This 100% unique content is generated with the use of artificial intelligence technology. If you were to do this yourself, it would have taken a lot of time to research, educate yourself about the product, and then write a script. You can use this method to create a product review about a single Amazon product. If you can create these types of top 5 or top 7 type of videos, which has several Amazon product compilations. Once you have the video script for your Amazon affiliate video, the next stage is actually creating the video. I created a video a few weeks ago on how to convert this text into an Amazon video. Watch this video next.